Now we'll discuss about the overview cycle of the plant maintenance. So SAP plant maintenance application component provides to the business with a comprehensive software solution for all the maintenance activities that are performed within a company. So this SAP PM functional module will provides flexible and efficient support to the business with a software solution for all the maintenance activity that takes place in any organization, in any company. Automated recording of the maintenance works and equipment history, online and real-time update of the maintenance cost, integrated with finance. So all this will be done in the SAP PM module. So this total SAP PM module will covers the 3 areas of maintenance. Our plant maintenance module, it will cover the total 3 areas of maintenance environment: inspection, prevention, and repair. Remember, inspection, prevention, and repair. So coming to the benefits of our SAP PM module. So when you go for SAP PM module, if it is implemented in any maintenance, for any maintenance department in any organization, so you can increase the productivity, provide safer environment for the people within the plant, reduce machine downtime, longevity of the machines, are the advantages and benefits of SAP PM module. Now first, what is an inspection? So inspection means all the measures which establish the actual condition of a technical system. So they will inspect the equipments or machineries by checking the actual conditions or parameters. Preventive maintenance means all the measures which maintain the ideal condition of a technical system or an equipment or a device. Repair means all the measures which store the ideal condition of a technical system. Yeah. So inspection means all the measures which establish the actual condition of a technical system. Preventive maintenance establishes maintain the ideal condition of a technical system, and repair means it will store the ideal condition of a technical system. Now coming to the enterprise structure of SAP PM module. What is this enterprise structure means? Mapping the company business hierarchy to the SAP system is called organization structure or enterprise structure. Mapping the business hierarchy to the SAP ERP system is called an organization structure or enterprise structure. So here you have client is nothing but company, as we discussed yesterday. Then we have the company code, plan, storage location. So these things we have discussed yesterday, isn't it? And we have discussed who are the functional consultants who will create this client, that this company code is created by financial consultants, plant and store location is created by the MM consultants. Now coming to from our PM module, there are 3 organization elements we need to create. They are maintenance planning plant, maintenance plant, planner group. So we'll discuss one by one. Now first is what is this maintenance plant, maintenance planning plan? We'll discuss now. Let's say I'll take BMW client. They manufacture cars, isn't it? The location is India. Now, Mumbai is the place of a head office of the BMW. Okay? This head office Mumbai, which belongs to BMW company, I will take it as a planning plant. Listen carefully. Okay?
Okay.
Now, coming to manufacturing. Okay? I have a plant in Goa, another plant in Chennai, another plant in Hyderabad, another plant in Kolkata. Okay? All these are, we call as a, so plant 1, 2, 3, 4 are will become manufacturing plants. Okay? Manufacturing plants.
Plant.
What they manufacture by cars.
Car.
Okay? It means whenever the requirement is there, the requirement of the spare parts from all these manufacturing plants, either from plant 1, plant 2, plant 3, plant 4, they are in need of the requirement of the spare parts. Therefore, all the manufacturing plants, okay, will approach to the purchasing department available at head office, Mumbai head office, planning plant. Okay? When there is a need of the materials or need of the spare parts, for example. Okay? From all the manufacturing plants. Okay? They approach to planning plant located in, where it is located, Bhaiya?
Mumbai.
Mumbai head office. Okay? It means manufacturing plant will not procure the material directly. So all the manufacturing plants has to approach to the purchasing department located at Mumbai.
Plant. Mumbai.
Okay? So all these manufacturing plants, whenever they need the material, they will approach to the purchasing department located in the Mumbai. Okay? So this Mumbai head office is treated as a planning plant.
Planning plant.
Whereas this plant 1, plant 2, plant 3, plant 4 located in Goa, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, etc. are treated as a maintenance plant.
Manufacturing.
In SAP we will call it a manufacturing plant.
Maintenance.
So it means all the manufacturing plants will inform about the purchasing of the spare parts or whatever the material to the purchasing department located in Mumbai head office. Okay? Therefore, The Mumbai head office we call as a planning plant. Got the point? Where all the manufacturing plants, we call them as a मेंटेनेंस प्लांट भैया. एसएपी में उसको मेंटेनेंस प्लांट बोलते हैं. Got the point? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now next is planner group. What is planner group? Is nothing but individual person or a group of employees responsible for planning activities and processing maintenance tasks in a plant is called a planner group. It is a group of people who are responsible for planning activities and processing maintenance tasks. In a plant, we call it as a planner group. Okay? You got the point?
Okay.
So, here maintenance plant, maintenance planning plant, planner group are the enterprise structure elements that belongs to our module called SAP PM. So this is the organization units of the SAP PM module. Maintenance plant is an organizational element in the plant maintenance where all the technical objects, technical objects means functional locations, equipments are placed, installed. Whenever an MM consultant creates a plant in enterprise structure, the system automatically creates a logical maintenance plant in SAP PM. It is called a maintenance plant. It is a 4-digit alphanumeric key. Okay. So what is a maintenance plant? It is an organization element in SAP PM module where all the technical objects like functional locations, equipments are physically installed. Okay. Or maintained. So whenever MM functional consultant, if he creates a plant in the enterprise structure, then the system automatically creates a logical maintenance plant in SAP PM. You got the point? So it is called a maintenance plant. It may be maintenance plant can be created 4-digit alphanumeric key. It may be numeric, alphanumeric, alphabetic bhaiya. Okay.
Okay.
Next, planning plant is the place in the organization where all the maintenance planning activities takes place, which is created in the enterprise structure. Planning plant is assigned to the maintenance plant depending upon the type of the maintenance planning. Okay. Further, this planning plant is assigned to the maintenance planning plant depending upon the type of maintenance planning. So it is also a 4-digit alphanumeric key. Okay. Next, planner group is basically group of employees who carry out complete maintenance plannings. They work at planning plant because planning plant is a place where complete maintenance planning is carried out. Okay. So planning plant is a place where the complete maintenance planning is carried out. But maintenance activities taken place at maintenance plant.
Maintenance plan.
Don't confuse, okay? all the maintenance planning activities or maintenance planning will be done at planning plant. Okay,
Planning.
but maintenance activities or maintenance are performed at maintenance plant. So planner group carry out planning at planning plant. Therefore, planning group is always created with respect to the planning plant here. Okay. So what is a planner group? Basically, it is a group of people or employees who carry out all the maintenance planning. They work at the planning plant.
Planning.
Okay. Therefore, planning plant, therefore, what happens? Planning plant is a place where the complete maintenance planning is carried out. Therefore, planner group is always created at the planning plant. It is a 3-digit alphanumeric key. Okay. So work center, that we'll discuss later. So this is the total organization elements what we have in SAP PM module. Okay. Now we'll talk about the maintenance processing planning. What is maintenance processing and planning? Let us say, for example, from production planning department, okay, we got the machine breakdown. Okay, we got the machine breakdown. Okay, let us say we will take DG set for example, bhaiya. Okay. Normally, what these production planning people, to whom they will inform? Now, for example, production is running in the production line. All of a sudden, they got some noise, some voice, okay, and they are unable to get the proper conditions, or the engine is giving some turbulence sounds and whatever it is, XYZ, okay, from the machine or equipment DG set. So suddenly the machine has gone breakdown. Now, production planning person who is there in the production planning department, to whom they will approach? To maintenance department.
Maintenance.
Or even we can call it as a engineering department. What they will inform? About the issue
Breakdown.
or problem or some breakdown activity of the machine. Okay, how they will inform? They will come and they will physically, okay, they will come physically, they will inform to the engineering department. So the machine has got breakdown. But in the system, how it will happen? Isn't it?